Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla Model 3 at home. We'll cover the different charging levels, from basic wall outlets to dedicated installations. Understanding these options helps you choose the best setup for your daily driving needs and budget. It's simpler than you might think to keep your Tesla powered up right from your garage.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying these tips and finding them helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And on another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're busy in the kitchen. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold all day. It's a great way to ensure you're getting enough water, no matter where you are. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your ingredients are ready, the cooking process is straightforward. Place all your vegetable scraps and aromatics into a large stock pot. Next, cover everything with cold water, making sure all the vegetables are completely submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then let it cook for at least 1 hour or even longer for a deeper flavor. Finally, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. To truly elevate your broth, consider a few extra steps. Lightly roasting your vegetable scraps before simmering can add a wonderful depth and richness. For an herbaceous note, toss in some fresh parsley stems or thyme sprigs during the last 30 minutes of cooking. After straining, taste your broth and season it with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. These small additions make a big difference in the final flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.